Diana Taurasi's number 3 rises to the rafters. Basketball fire Phoenix Mercury legend honored. Diana Taurasi, inducted into Phoenix Mercury Ring of Honor. Phoenix Mercury legend Diana Taurasi has officially received one of the highest honors in franchise history. On Sunday, August 16, 2026, Taurasi was inducted into the Phoenix Mercury Ring of Honor during halftime of the team's game against the Portland Fire in Phoenix. At the same ceremony, the Mercury retired her iconic number 3 jersey and raised it to the arena rafters. Taurasi's induction marks another major chapter in the career of one of the greatest players in WNBA history. She spent 20 seasons with the Mercury, from 2004 through 2024, and became closely associated with basketball in the city of Phoenix. Her accomplishments speak for themselves. Taurasi is the WNBA's all-time leading scorer, with more than 2,000 points separating her from the next player on the career scoring list. She was an 11-time All-Star, a 5-time scoring champion, a 3-time WNBA champion, a 2-time WNBA Finals MVP, the 2009 WNBA Most Valuable Player, and the 2004 Rookie of the Year. She also won 6 Olympic gold medals with Team USA. But Sunday's celebration was about more than statistics and championships. It was a tribute to the relationship Taurasi built with Phoenix and its fans over 2 decades. Before her number 3 banner was unveiled, Taurasi reflected on what the city meant to her. She said Phoenix gave her the opportunity to grow, experience difficult moments, recover from setbacks, and ultimately become the person she is today. She also expressed gratitude for the loyalty of the Mercury's fan base, known as the X Factor. Taurasi arrived in Phoenix as the number 1 overall pick in the 2004 WNBA draft. At the time, Arizona was unfamiliar territory for the young star, but she quickly developed a strong connection with the city and its basketball community. Over the next 2 decades, she helped establish the Mercury as one of the WNBA's premier franchises. Her 3 WNBA championships are among the defining moments of her career, while her scoring ability, competitiveness, and personality made her one of the league's most recognizable stars. The ceremony also brought together family, friends, and basketball figures to celebrate Taurasi's legacy. Her wife, former Mercury star Penny Taylor, and their 2 children were among those present. Although Taurasi is no longer playing for Phoenix, Sunday's ceremony made it clear that her connection to the Mercury is far from over. With her number 3 now permanently displayed in the rafters and her name added to the franchise's Ring of Honor, her legacy will remain a permanent part of Phoenix basketball history. There was one unusual twist to the celebration. The Mercury ultimately lost Sunday's game to the Portland Fire, 88-85. But the result could not overshadow the night's main event, the celebration of Diana Taurasi and 2 extraordinary decades with the Phoenix Mercury. For Mercury fans, the message was simple. Diana Taurasi did not just play in Phoenix. She became part of the identity of the franchise and the city itself. Now, her number 3 will remain above the court as a lasting reminder of one of the most decorated careers in WNBA history.